Hello, third grade. I'm here making a video with the number rack, which grown-ups may know of this by the name of an abacus. That's what they used to call it when I was in school. So basically, this is used to help you with your basic number facts. Let's take a sample problem. If we were trying to figure out, well, first of all, let's go over some basics on this number rack. There's 10 beads on top and 10 beads on the bottom. There's 5 red beads and 5 white. 5 red and 5 white. So 10 plus 10 is 20. And the color of those beads is very significant because you can glance at it and notice very quickly that there's 10 red and 10 white, or you can know that there's 10 on top and 10 on the bottom row. So let's say we were trying to figure out the problem 20 subtract 9. So put them all over here, take away 9, slide 9 away, and you're left with 11. I can very readily look at this and note that this is 11. 10 on the bottom plus the 1 on top is 11. I'm going to model the problem 13 subtract 5. There's 13. Take away 5. I'm left with 5, 6, 7, 8. So I can very quickly ascertain the answer is 8. Let's say I wanted to do 9 plus 9. Well, I know there's 10 and 10, so I just take 1 away on top, 1 away on the bottom. I have 9 and 9. An easy way to figure this out is I know that's 10. There's 10 red, 4 and 4. If I know my doubles, that's 8 white. So I have 10 plus 8, 18 left. So 9 plus 9 is 18. Let's say I want to solve 6 plus 7, one of your basic facts, 6 plus 7. The advantage to having this is that I can look at this and very quickly see there's 10 red. I don't need to count them. I know there's 10 red. I know that always. It never changes. 10 red, 11, 12, 13. So 6 plus 7 is 13. Let's try another one. Perhaps I'm adding 2 plus 6. 2 on the top, 6 on the bottom. There's not really any super quick strategy for this other than I'm going to start with the larger amount, 6, and count on 7, 8. 6 on the bottom, 7, 8. All right, then we might use this number rack for what we call balanced equations. It's really helpful for balanced equations. Balanced equations mean that we're going to have the same amount on the top as we have on the bottom. So if I wanted to know 3 plus 7 equals 6 plus what? 3 plus 7 equals 6 plus 4, because I know there's 10 on the top and 10 on the bottom. So 3 plus 7 is the same as or equal to 6 plus 4. That's called a balanced equation. 2 plus 8 is the same as 9 plus what? I'm going to show you those equations so you can see what I'm talking about. Here are my balanced equations. I'm trying to fill in those blanks. 2 plus 8 is the same as 9 plus what? Or equal to. 2 plus 8 is equal to 9 plus 1 because there's 10 on top and 10 on the bottom. So 2 plus 8 is equal to 9 plus 1. The next one I'm going to model is 5 plus 5. I have 5 on top, 5 red, 5 white. 5 plus 5 is the same as 4 plus what? 5 plus 5 is the same as 4 plus 6. There's 10 on the top and 10 on the bottom. Look at that equation right here. 5 plus 5 is the same as 4 plus 6. One more balanced equation. I have 10 plus 0 is the same as 3 plus what? 10 plus 0. There's just 10 together with plus 0 is the same as 3 plus 7. There's 10 on top, 10 on the bottom. 10 plus 0 is the same as or equal to 3 plus 7. That's pretty much the benefit of using this number rack. Sometimes if you just have some random amount of beads on here and it says make an equation that represents what you see here, you could say 20, there's 20 in all, I know that, the whole thing has 20, take away 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20 take away 10 equals 10, there's 10 over here. Or I could look at this and say, oh, I have 5 red, 6, 7, 8, 9 red plus 1 white. I have 9 plus 1, that's 10. I could say that an equation represented here is 9 plus 1 equals 10. What if you had this? Well, that's 5 plus 7, 5 plus 7. But the nice thing about the number rack is I can look at that really, really quickly and not have to count all the individual beads. I can say, oh, I have 10 plus 2. 10 red plus 2 white is 12. So therefore, I know that 5 plus 7 is 12. I can really quickly get that answer. Say I have this, a doubles fact, 7 plus 7. Maybe I don't know my doubles facts yet. I can look at this very quickly and say, that's 14. I see 10 here, 12, 14. There's 14. I don't need to count the red. There's 14 because this is 10 plus 4 is 14. So 7 plus 7 is 14. I hope that was helpful.